Hey guys, this is Saram Gaming. Today I will explain you about Assistant's Quest. Two of my friends were confused about it. Both of them are my campmates. One of them is her Momo. She haven't been online. It's a long time she haven't been online, so she needs to know about it. And also, there's a person in our camp named as Krishid. He hasn't been online. Isn't it has been 1 month he hasn't been online after the update, so he is very confused. We were Quahab and we did everything together. We did fun now, but the thing is, he hasn't been online. 19 hours ago, he has been online, but that time we were doing patrol and he didn't understand anything. He was saying me that he don't know how to do a quest, how to accept quest, etc, etc. Okay, I think I'll start the video. Let's go. Now the thing is, after the update, uh, wait, everything is connected. Every map is connected to another map. What can I say? Before the update in Fall Forest, you can go out of it without going from the exit point. Now you can do, if you want, you can go from Hope 101 to Clear Sky Wheat Field without using the exit point, or this, what is this called? You will get highways in the roads. People build those highways and you use those highways to travel. I am also in a highway now. You can check, it is man-made. Somebody has built it, I don't know, but it's nice and okay. So we do like this, and we have free bikes because map has been so big. We need bikes because now that time, now to go from here to this place we will obviously need bikes, bro, because now everything is so big, maps are so big, whatever. Now let's talk about assistant quest. Here these are, before the update it was that you will get daily missions. There were 4 resource points that you will get gold, and you will get a 5000 gold every day from those resource point. And after the update it has been a lot hard because what can I say, they have removed in and added this sign. This is called assistant quest, sorry, assistance quest. I call assistant, sorry. So this is spread all over the map, and the stronghold battle. Okay, let me finish this first. The thing is, you will go to here, you will find a person, you will find a NPC, talk to him and claim all the quest, and then you will after you claim all the quest, if you do 3 of, there will be a 3 quest for that NPC. In every map there will be one NPC. There can be 2 because in Mouth Swamp I did one assistant quest that was, I think, here, and now it's showing me another one here. I can't say. Okay, leave it. Now after this you will claim 3 of those, do all of those 3 missions. It will be a little bit hard and it takes a lot of time, I know, but it's worth it because there are some types of mission. Today there was that assistant quest in Leninsport. Yes, Leninsport. I did that quest. I got 2400 gold bars, so 2250, I forgot. You'll get a mark about timed assistance, that is called timed assistance. Do that, you will get 3 times the 800 gold, 3 times the money, 3 times the XP, and everything will be 3 times. That's that, and it will be only one time. Now this is, oh sorry, You will get, if you are up, if you are above level 65 or 68, I forgot that level, then you will be get to do 5 maps. That's the highest limit. You can do more than 5 maps, daily missions, daily assistant quest. uh, so within this 5 minutes you will try to get those type of missions in which you don't have to gather wood, don't have to gather nanmo, don't have to gather silver ore, this type of things. So it will be easy and be quick, because uh, if they give you the task to kill zombies or collect this repair statue, still you will take too much time, because this map is so big. To travel from here to there takes a lot of time. I know, whatever. Now let's talk about different things. That is stronghold battle. Stronghold battles have been removed. Those fall for stronghold, sand castle, everything has been removed. Now what can we do if they remove? So, and they have added gathering teams. You use stronghold points to and go to and think about Highland Factory. You did Highland Factory, you have those points of feet in the earlier update, but now it has been changed. It is changed to gathering what gathering vouchers, huh? So you'll get gathering vouchers if you open the box of, such as I do Highland Factory. I open that box, that factory chest 3. I will get gathering vouchers. I will take those vouchers and come to this gathering team, or anywhere where it spawns. Come to here, there will be a person in a green color suit. Talk to him. You'll get to buy things. There is also extraction permit. I will not explain many things in this video because it's getting long. I don't want to make a video more than 10 minutes or 8 9 minutes, because that's long. Okay, so this was the gathering team. You will get gathering vouchers, then you will use them to get resources. You don't need to mine anything, but the problem is this gathering team doesn't always stay forever. Sometimes it we can't find it. It happens many times in Australian hills. Now I have a thing. The people who are very new to the game, sorry, those who were in the game for a long time, but they have gone offline and recently come online after the update, but and they are not understanding anything. um, the thing is, they will be searching for sand castle after fall forest. They will be searching of sand castle. Listen, fall forest was the level 1 map. It was the easiest map first time, but now it's clear sky wheat field. Okay, then fall forest, then the hard ones. Now many people were thinking, where is sand castle? Sand castle, here is the sand castle. But the problem is its level has been changed to 76. The people under 76, it will be hard to get there. uh, if you guys want, you can go to sand castle, but the problem will be zombies will be too high to kill. You can't kill, you'll die. That's okay. Let's uh, wait, what's happening? Sorry guys for okay. So Sandcastle has been changed. Also, Mouth Swamp and another person, sorry, another map named as ST Rona. It has been changed also. It has been over here beside Leven City. Its level is 86, I think so. 86 or something like that. I forgot. These were the things I need to explain to you about assistant quest and stronghold battles, everything. Thank you guys for watching the video is almost 10 minutes. Sorry for the delay, because I was a little busy on the game. Actually, the thing is, I don't know, after the update the game has been really trash, because I sometimes think that I should quit the game, but for my camp mates, for my camp, I'm staying in this game. But I actually don't know after, if I leave this game, where will I go. But the thing is, I will not leave this game quickly, because I know many of my friends quit this game already. I think it's too much boring to stay in this camp, but I am recruiting players. There are many players like Kumar, Momo, and some other players who, you know. And by the way, thanks for watching the video. I'll meet you at the next video. Bye.